Vernalina. Every time the fridge opens, your body gets colder, but my heart gets warmer.
Aw, Volticano, stop it. You make my label peel.
No, not today. I still have dreams with my baby.
Promise me you'll never leave me.
I swear on purified minerals and UV treatment.
Hi, guys. Is there room in this fridge for premium hydration?
Hey, this one is naturally chilled too.
Volticano?
Huh? Me? Never. I was just checking her expiry date.
So, you're dating Vernalina?
It's complicated. We're just shelf mates.
Volticano? After everything we've been through? After all the sachet waters that mocked us?
Baby, listen. You.
Don't baby me, you refillable fool! I gave you my heart. And you gave me PP.
It was a mistake. Bellaquilina meant nothing.
Excuse me, I'm literally alkaline. Take your alkaline nonsense and leave my sight!
Ah, perfect. One bottle for my waki. Wait, Vernon! No!
Hold on, sir, I'm premium. Ah! Maybe being single is better after all.
Hello, beautiful. Is this seat taken?
Maybe love deserves a second refill.